great state of Texas.
It's got its ups and downs. Lots of downs.
Lots of downs.
Lots of
Mainly
downs.
the traffic.
One of them is traffic. One of the big ones is traffic. But one of the ups is concrete.
Lots of concrete.
We've always talked about that. We've always given them their props for concrete. No matter how much we talk trash about Texas, we always give them their props on the concrete.
Yeah, they don't mess around with no asphalt streets.
It's too damn hot down here.
Yeah. Yep.
And then they have nice trucks.
Lots and lots of nice trucks. A lot of crappy trucks.
They do.
A lot of nice trucks.
A lot of nice trucks.
So, I mean, let's just get down to it. We're headed down here to pick up the next giveaway truck.
Yep, it's that time.
Yep.
We're trying to get on a set schedule.
You know, as set as we can be.
As set as we can be. Hey,
yeah.
We're on par to starting this next giveaway the same time as what we did the first giveaway.
Yep.
Which was the Regal.
The Regal.
Yeah.
Yep.
So.
Yep, that guy that we paid to win that car.
That's right. That's right. And honestly, I like this truck we're going to look at. Or at least I think I do.
The pictures look good.
Yes. Yes. And we've looked at a couple others, guys, and it's nothing. And we filmed the other ones that we looked at, but y'all will never see it. They were terrible Oklahoma trucks. In fact, I don't even think these were Oklahoma trucks. The most recent one that we looked at, I think, was a transplant from up north or something.
They were on the lower scale of Oklahoma trucks for sure.
I don't want to give away something that
someone will be proud to have.
Is that shitty?
Yeah.
Like, I got underneath it, and from front to back, the rockers were gone in this truck. And bear in mind, it was a 2014 truck.
Yeah.
But 2014 trucks aren't as thick as what.
They don't got that good metal.
No, they don't got that good metal. But if you think about it, most rockers on any old Chevy trucks, they're gonna rust out.
Oh yeah, but this one had it around the fender wells, and it was bad. It was bad. It had a lot of nice parts, but it wasn't the one that we wanted to give away to you guys.
No, we thought that it was.
Yeah.
And it already had an LT in it. You know, obviously it's 2014, so it had an LT in it. It actually had a on-3 turbo kit.
Yep.
It wasn't the right one. So we want to be proud of something that we do giveaways on.
Yeah.
And
well, and we want whoever wins it to be proud that, man, this was kind of my dream vehicle.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I just don't want them to go, man.
Yeah.
This is the truck that 187 Customs gave away?
Yeah, this is it, huh?
Yeah. So, which you can always pick things apart. I was proud of Aiden's truck.
Yep.
I was proud of the Regal.
Yep.
I'd like to think that I'm going to be proud of this truck. And, we need to do some stuff to it, but it's a solid start.
For sure.
There's one big thing, though, that I do not like. But it must not be a deal breaker, because we done drove, 5.5 hours down here to Texas?
At least.
We're in what I call South Texas. I don't know if this is South Texas.
We're close to Georgetown, Texas, which is close to Texas Speed.
We're just north of Austin,
Massachusetts.
Yeah. So, and we're headed to a place right here called Platinum Auto Group.
Yep.
Oh, is this it?
This is it right here.
We buy cars, it says.
Huh, us too.
Yeah, I buy cars too.
Yep.
They got a Hummer. They got a Hummer right here.
A couple of. They had a real Hummer over there.
Ugh.
Not that H2
Man, they got a lot of
whatever.
trucks, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Got a 450 over there.
Man.
The Chevy 2500.
I mean, is that 450 a white?
No,
We just
the 2500 is though.
in.
Man, this thing's nice, dude.
It is nice. There's a couple of things that I don't like. This being one of them. Just to let everybody know.
We'll see if they can guess what we're in right now. A lot of people will be able to, but some of you don't quite know yet. So we made it here. We looked it over real good.
Look.
Oh yeah, I think just giving you a handy the whole way.
This is how some people drive their race cars.
Yep. So made it here. Looked the truck over real good. I mean, we told these guys we need to look it over better, but we're probably gonna buy it.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how it drives.
It's clean. Oh man, it's got one-piece windows. try to not let that bother me.
The things that bother Sean versus the things that don't are pretty amazing.
Let that bother me.
Oh,
it's already spinning. I didn't do nothing.
Snap your neck power.
I feel real big in here.
Oh, like you sit high?
Yeah. And it's because I sit so high.
Yeah.
And what sucks is with these factory seats, there's not a whole lot you can
No.
do. Now you can put buckets in it.
Dude, it's getting loose.
Spinning the tire the whole way.
Holy crap, this thing got some...
Either that or they armor-rolled up the tire really good, didn't they?
Everything they spread... Oh, somebody's water bill's going to be high.
Oh, man. And downshift.
It may still have the old 308 gear in it with that.
Sure it does.
248 first gear.
Clock works, speedometer works.
Oh, the speedometer even works.
Yeah, it does not look like the voltage does.
That one's the one that's usually easy to work. Seems to run pretty good.
Yeah.
Limiter works.
Yeah, the limiter definitely works, doesn't it? I was gonna stay on it and see what happens. But it ain't no fun because that tire's just blowing off.
Yeah. Ain't got no gas in it. Let me get out and do a donut.
You're gonna do a donut?
You're gonna do a donut.
Where?
While I film it right
I don't
here.
think it would.
My red truck does that.
Well, I mean, so the windshield wipers work.
Yeah.
It's clearly smoking that tire. You can smell it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, it's not bad.
No.
It's a nice truck. It's I know it's lowered and all that stuff, but I don't believe that it's lowered right. I think we hollered our people.
Yeah,
I'll give LaMagoya a call and get, because what they did, man, was they just put a lowering spring in it, and then whenever they lowered it, the wheels and tires probably did this,
Yep.
and then they moved them out.
Yes. A lot.
A lot.
All right. We'll get back here. See if we can get them down a little bit more. Then we'll show y'all what we're working with here.
Throttle, and I'm like, it's just spinning.
I heard you let out of it.
Yeah, it was worthless. I got in it a little bit harder down.
Yeah, that was just where you could hear us.
Yeah, and it just nothing. That's terrible. It needs some.
Needs some new tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, it needs a new setup on the rear for sure. You put 9 inch. What'd you say? You gonna put a 9 inch?
I mean, that's definitely not off the table. Do a split kit instead.
So here it is. In case y'all didn't know,
They just put a lowering spring,
Squarebody.
and then whenever they lowered it,
85,
and then they put
6 liter 4L80 swap.
there to get it back out. That's not
Lowered. You know, we'll probably do a few things to lower it the way we like to lower it. But man, this thing's clean. All the factory gauges work. You know, other than the voltage that he said, but Done deal.
Done deal. Let's hit the road.
Let's get north. Let's get out of here.
Let's get north. You know, but first things first, you know, so let's go.
I mean, there's one more good reason besides the concrete to come to Texas.
That's right. Well, it was just something that came to Texas.
Yep.
Honestly, I didn't notice. I never noticed in the pictures that it had the one-piece windows in it. And
you know why? So it doesn't bother you until you know about it.
I'm just not a fan of them.
I don't like them in trucks like Richie's for sure. They don't bother me at all in this one because they kind of look like an OB. They're starting to look like an OBS, you know?
Yeah. We got to stop and, you know, de-Texas this truck.
Yeah.
Like everything else Texas.
They're very proud of being from Texas.
You all over this thing that it's from Texas.
Yep. Yep.
And then we probably
get some gas in it.
Put this thing up like a Peterbilt. Yeah, we probably need some gas. Ain't got no gas in it.
You want to put an MPI wheel in it?
I mean,
may as well, right?
Like.
Well, did it drive good so far?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's good. We don't need this, do we?
I mean, no.
We didn't pay that for the record, guys. Just to let everybody know. But that is what they wanted.
Yep.
Here, throw this shit up. All right, I told Aiden, whenever we finally stop up here, I started doing some math.
No, it's close. If it's really a 16-gallon tank, it's close. I started looking at a 16-gallon tank. So, guys, what we did was we left there. It had a quarter tank. We filled it up. Then it had half a tank. So I told Aiden, look, man, when it gets to empty, we could drive another hour. I'm not real sure we can at this point. Then I looked and I saw, look how dirty it is. Yeah.
But I told him, I said, man, we ain't checked nothing. Like, obviously it's not that the tire. We know the tires are junk because they smoke as soon as you touch the throttle.
Yes.
But we ain't checked the oil. We ain't checked the transmission.
I'm sure it's got some.
We ain't checked nothing. No, it runs great. This is what we. Oh, look, man, I'm gonna have to fix all that. They didn't get all that stuff in there right.
Yeah.
See how all that's popped up?
Bam.
So this thing has
6 liter.
This thing has been to all the C10s in the park. There's 2 or 3 stickers of that, and you know, somebody cared about it at one time. Oh,
nice.
Wait.
Watch that deal.
How's the oil? I just did. Oh,
it's good.
Good. All right, go fire it up. So we've already got some ideas on what we want to do to this.
Yeah.
So what we need is for the people to tell us what they think that we should do to it. Because at some point, this is going to be somebody's truck.
Yep. So already got a 6.0 and a 4L80. What else should we do to it, guys?
4L80 was the big
yeah.
plus on this thing.
Yep. Good.
Now, I thought that the can was a little bit bigger than what it is.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
At first, whenever we first started it, it thumped pretty good.
Yeah.
But now it's kind of just mellowed out a little bit. Okay, kill it, Aiden. It's, I think it probably at some point, man, 2 of 25. I was fixing to say at some point we're going to put a battery in this thing, okay? Because it'll go and then fire up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But man, 2 of 25. Somebody just put this in.
I mean, it's an interstate too.
It is very
garbage.
It is very touchy, the steering wheel.
Is it?
Yeah, and then Aiden's just you can look up ahead and you can see 4 miles worth of Dallas traffic on their brakes, and Aiden's going, and I'm going, man.
No, I just thinking he must have more money than I do because I can't keep up with y'all.
I know. I look down, we're doing so at 75 on the speedometer.
At least he's got his seatbelt on in there though.
What?
I can see it.
You had your seatbelt on?
I can see it through the back glass. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. He needs to wear it. With his driving, he knows how he drives.
Yep.
Hey, grab my wallet and let's fill up while we're sitting here.
All right, we made it back. You know, Sean and Aiden did. I didn't ride in it except for that first little bit there, but it seemed to do pretty well. I mean, what else can you say? Whoever did the swap did a good job on it. The 6.0 4L80 is obviously in good shape. Runs really good. It'll light this one tire off at will.
So we'll do something about that. We'll at least put some sort of locker in there, if not one of Quick Performance's bolt-in 9 inches. So, man, this truck, it is sexy. One of y'all's gonna get one heck of a deal on this thing. So, like we said, let us know. Oh, Aiden's been in here. The amp didn't work on the subs. He got that fixed. Now the subs are banging, but let us know. What should we do besides oil those hinges up? So it's a 6-liter, got a cam in it. I believe it's a Texas Speed cam, valve springs. Probably gonna holler at our boy at Speed Engineering, get some long tubes for this thing. One of their dual exhaust kits. But what power adder? I mean, we think a nitrous, turbo, pro charger, a screw charger, you know, something like a Magnuson or a Whipple. What do y'all think? Let us know. Right there, 85 Squarebody. It's gonna be one of y'all's pretty soon. Or, you know, within at least the next couple months. So, stay tuned for more info.